Hey, what's up, guys? Quick recap of case number one. Was a really nice of gold standard. So just gonna go through them real quick. This went to a hitless team, the 76ers, Mark Price jersey, number to 299, Mark Price. Sixers, Pistons hit an Isaiah Thomas gold ring Sigs redemption. Ben Gordon auto. Tayshaun Prince jersey. Austin Day base and some other base. I didn't sleeve these up yet. We literally just did the case break, so just wanted to get this out real quick. Derrick Rose, some base for the Bulls. A lot of base for the Bulls. Nice patch auto of Jalen Rose. Nice Artis Gilmore NBA patch auto. Taj Gibson auto for the Bulls. So the Bulls did real nice. 199 from Taj. The Magic, Jameer Nelson auto. Nice. Number to 49, Jameer Nelson jersey. Earl Clark auto. And some more inserts for the Magic. The Raptors actually did get a hit. I thought they were hitless. The Raptors got a Jose Calderon jersey. Number to 249. There it is. Raptors did get a hit there. Thunder, Kendrick Perkins, patch auto. Kevin Durant jersey. Some base, and then another Kevin Durant jersey. New York Knickerbockers. Amari jersey. And a nice Bernard King patch auto. Bernard King. The Hornets, Chris Paul. Nice. And that's it for Chris Paul jersey. Pacers, Darren Collison auto, number to 299. Paul George on-card auto, number to 299. And some base. That's a Paul George auto. Very nice. Clippers, Blake Griffin, base to 299. Eric Gordon jersey. Ryan Gomes auto, number to 299 for the Clippers. Grizzlies had a base card and won this in a random. Kevin Martin. Keep that over here somewhere. Bucks hit one of the gold cards. Very nice of Brandon Jennings, numbered 4 of 10. One off his jersey number, but really nice gold piece there. The Nuggets, bunch of base Gallinari auto, number to 299. Danilo Gallinari, and a bunch of inserts. Mavericks had a bunch of inserts and base. Jersey of Nowitzki. Another insert. Jersey of Nowitzki. Jersey of Nowitzki. And a bunch of base. Spurs, DeJuan Blair, and a jersey of George Gervin. Hawks, 2 autos of Jeff Teague. Both numbered to 299. Warriors, Ekpe Udoh auto, numbered to 299. And a Monte Ellis jersey for the Warriors. Kings, Tyreke Evans, Nuggets card. Insert. The Jazz, Carlos Boozer, number to 299. Derek Favors, rookie auto. Pete Maravich, and a really nice 4-color patch of John Stockton, numbered 8 of 10. Really nice patch there. Suns, gold records jersey of Steve Nash. Some base. Bucks, base, and then Larry Sanders, rookie auto for the Bucks, numbered to 299. Blazers, Bill Walton, NBA Logo Man patch auto. That's numbered to 99. Bill Walton. And that's it. The Heat, very nice dual auto. Alonzo Mourning and Gary Payton for the Heat, number 225. Very nice card there. T-Wolves, jersey of Kevin Love. Jersey of Kevin Love. Auto of Lazar Hayward. Kevin Love jersey. I think this is Luke Ridenour. I'm not sure. Jersey auto. Number to 199. And then this sick Kevin Love patch auto. Number to 15. Very nice card there. Patch auto. Celtics had a very nice break. Bird to 25. Ray Allen jersey. Lots of base. And inserts Jeff Green auto. Ray Allen auto. Number to 10. And then a Larry Bird manufactured patch auto number to 5. And the Lakers. Big pile of cards. Pau Gasol jersey. Lots of base. Derek Fisher jersey. Derek Fisher jersey auto. Number to 49. Kobe Bryant patch auto. Number to 49. 24, I'm sorry. And then a jersey auto. Kobe Bryant. Same pack. These two came in the same pack. Back-to-back hits on the Kobe's. Number to 49. So yeah, awesome case overall. Bird, 2 Kobe's, Kevin Love, gold card. Really solid case. Second case recap coming up.